Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video it's gonna be a wig review and it is by Zury wig, and the name of this wig is Lace Airi, and the color that I have is like a copper sombre. They say sombre, but it's ombre. Ombre copper color. Ta-da! It's my first time ever doing this color, so I'm excited and nervous at the same time. But it's a wig, so what the hell? That's fine. The side part. Yeah. The part is not so good, but okay, I'll pluck it. It comes with two combs in the front. Oh, it's not black. The cap is not black. Anyways, comb in the back. Adjustable strap. I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. Yes, this is mad cute. What? Here, I'm gonna use this big comb and brush it out. Brush it out. Brush it out. Get new hair, you don't know how to act. Oops, it's all on my face. Alright, let me stop playing. Let me go ahead and cut this lace. And I don't know how like people just like cut the lace on their head. I can never do it. But let me try. That's how it be. You got a little clip, but I don't have a clip. Like, what if you go? Oh, hell no. I don't know, cut this wig. Oh, I thought I cut it. Alright, so let me just go ahead and cut this lace and I'll be back. Face powder, and it looks good. Yes, this hair feels like the texture is really nice. It's like a yaki texture. It's not so silky. So that's why I like about this wig. What else do I like about this wig? I like the fitting. It feels like I have nothing on, to be honest. Like, it feels really light. And it's not that thin. Usually synthetic wigs, they're lace wigs, they're always too thin. But this one, I like it. It's not too thin. It has a lot of volume. The color is just gorgeous. Like, do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? Like, what? I need to go on a date with this wig right here. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to click on that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I have more wigs video coming up soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.